welcome back to BunnyTOX on our second video. This is my friend Talia, who's going to be helping us with the video today.
Hi guys.
So we are going to be making a Slimin is a Habit slime review part 2 because she has so many incredible slimes. We can't even do it in one video. So let's get on with the video. Alright, so we're going to start with this lemon zest slime. So this was custom made by Slimin is a Habit just for this YouTube video. This is Dirty Wormy, her slime that comes with a little worm charm that she has actually
Handcrafted all by herself.
Yeah. This is the blood orange thick juice and pretty nice. All right. Okay, so we're going to start getting the thick juice out of its carton now. Alright, so we got the blood orange slime out of its carton, just playing with it. It was very hard to get out of its container, but it's overall a pretty good slime. I mean, it's got a very nice scent. It really does bring that like blood orange smell. This is pretty nice slime. It's very thick. I think I added too much activator to it. So, as you can see, that is the worm that she handcrafted. I think it is really beautiful and I love this slime. It's a really nice scent. It's kind of smells chocolatey to me. Yeah. And it's very thick, but I kind of like it. It feels like dirt, like the thickness of dirt. Yeah. Oh my god, the worm is very cute. I love the ombre. It's so pretty. I know, it's like a blue to a green, like a turquoise to a green. Yeah, I really like this slime. Alright, so here is the lemon zest slime that she made just for this video. So, sadly, it is not available for purchase, but it's a very nice slime. It's so thick and it smells like very lemony. Like, it smells like lemon to me. Very natural.
And as you can see, they have tiny little lemon beads in it. So it looks very beautiful.
Yeah. And it's just the color and the little charms and the scent. It makes it really feel like lemon slime to me. Yeah. And it has tiny little sparkles if you look closely. I love this slime. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Please check out Slimin is a Habit World. Please just tell your family, tell your friends, and if you don't feel like buying, just go ahead and browse. You might find something you want. And yeah, and hit that notifications bell down below. Subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up.
Comment something really nice, and don't forget to stay positive. Bye!